Since alphabet knowledge is essential for early reading and writing skills, we've created two versions of the alphabet arc to use with students. If you plan to use the printable version, make sure you watch Kellen's video so she can show you how that's done. This digital alphabet arc supports students with alphabet concepts, including letter identification, matching, and sequencing. There are several alphabet arcs using uppercase or lowercase in this file. So what you'll want to do is have students open up the Google Slides file, and you're going to want to make sure they're viewing it at 75% so they can see the letters over to the left and to the right of the slide. Right now it doesn't look like much, it just looks like a row of letters with uppercase or lowercase or possibly some of them missing. So you can decide which one you want to use, but in order to benefit from seeing the whole board, you're going to want to click on Fit and change it to 75%. Now, once you are at 75%, you see all of the manipulatives hanging out on the left and the right. The nice thing about this template is that everything is in image format, so nothing can be edited as far as changing the letters. So when you try to double click on the middle of the board, there's nothing to click because this is all embedded into the background of the slide. Each of the letters have a white outline, so it's a little bit easier for smaller fingers to grab using an iPad or the trackpad on a Chromebook, and they can drag and drop those over. And notice they have more than one copy of each letter set up for them to be able to use as manipulatives. We hope you enjoy this digital version of the alphabet arc. And again, if you want a printable version, make sure you check that out as well.